Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Charles University Prague Portal. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in Charles University Login. That is Charles University Login, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link saying Student Information System, Charles University. Here you can log in via CIS, or if you're an applicant, you can log in via your registration email or student identity. If this is the first time that you're trying to log into your student email, then tap on Registration of New Study Applicant. If not, then simply tap on via CAS. Here you'll have to enter a username along with your password, which should be provided to you by a college or university during the time of admission or registration, and then hit login to log into your account. Other verification options also include citizen identity. If you have it, you can try to log in through that as well. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.